welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kyla. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my art that I've made and my craft room setup, like a craft room office tour for someone who does social media as a job. So yeah, without further fucking ado, let's look at this shit. Walk in here, there's a kitty cat right there. Pink Floyd poster. I have this little side table for like projects and stuff, so that way I can put extra surprise on it if I need it to be accessible from my desk, or just like props and stuff like that. Over here, you know, I just have like a little decoration wall. I wanted it to look cute. I do have like these LED lights around. I have these fairy lights. I don't have them hung up, they're just sitting on my floor. That is a stripper pole. It is not put up because I have one downstairs that is better. That one's just static. This is one of my pieces. It's actually for sale, so if you want it, hit me up. I didn't mean to flip off the camera. If you want to hit me up, half heart. This is where I do like my streaming and stuff from. I know the cords and stuff are fucking crazy. Yeah, my Twitch will be in the description. Check it out if you like that kind of shit. Little bodice thing I've had since high school. I just have my wig sitting on it. That's a box for my TV that I need to take downstairs, actually. This is like lighting and stuff, and tripod for filming. Random clothes, because sometimes I get hot or cold, so I change out my outfit in the middle of a stream. Not on camera, oh my god, but I mean, anyways. This is like my whole craft area. I have a printer over there in case I need to print something out. I rarely use that though. Anyways, this I have like all my watercolor stuff in, and gouache. This I keep like all my extra supplies, like palettes, pencils, stuff like that. This is my actual desk where the magic happens. I have some pieces out right now. This is one of my newer ones. This is a watercolor pad. This is one I did the other day. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I think I'm gonna add stuff to it. There's some more little pumpkins because it's September, so yeah. More art. I have like some art books over here. Yeah. Just like some readily available supplies, like brushes, a whole bunch of pencils, graphite, water for painting. I had to put it in there because my cats were drinking the fucking paint water, dog. This is paint right here. Extra notepads and stuff that I use. I have a whole bunch of stickers in here. This is all stuff for like marker work, and then I have an extra thing of brushes in here. Oh, like an actual case. Apparently this is heavy and it'll topple over if I have that door open, so. And this is just another book and like some extra shit that I need for things I can't really throw away. And this closet is extra storage. I have like some clothes that I don't really wear very often, old nursing scrubs, soap making stuff, extra paint, a big blanket. It's actually a quilt that my grandma made. Extra boxes for shit, so that way when I move I have boxes. I don't like throwing away these big boxes because I can reuse them. A laptop. This is a really big watercolor canvas. I'm waiting to use it because I'm trying how these work. And then I have a whole bunch of extra canvases and extra paper, and then a really big drawing paper back there. I also have this really, really big one. Yeah, and there's my other cat. Hey, sir, come on. I know, but you can't get in here. So yeah, watch my video. I know it was a short one. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and let me know if you're gonna join the hippie squad. I just made up that name on the spot, so let me know if you like it.